Did you know that the average household contains more than 60 toxic chemicals, many of which are found in everyday cleaning products? These substances, present in everything from glass cleaners to all-purpose sprays, have been linked to respiratory issues, skin irritation, hormone disruption, and even long-term health risks such as cancer. On top of that, when these chemicals are rinsed down our drains, they don't just disappear, they flow into our waterways, harming aquatic life and contaminating our environment. It's a startling reality, but one that prompts an important question. What exactly are we bringing into our homes when we reach for that familiar bottle of cleaner? This awareness is fueling a growing movement toward natural cleaning products. Once considered a niche choice, these alternatives are now gaining widespread popularity, appearing on the shelves of major supermarkets and in the routines of health-conscious families everywhere. Natural cleaning products are crafted with ingredients derived from plants, minerals, and other renewable resources, offering a safer and more sustainable way to keep our homes clean. But beyond the green labels and pleasant scents, what sets them apart from traditional cleaners? And why are more people willing to invest a little more in them? Let's address the elephant in the room: cost. It's no secret that natural cleaning products often come with a higher price tag than their conventional counterparts. For many people, this is a major deterrent. After all, cleaning is a regular necessity. Shouldn't it be affordable? The concern is understandable, and it's one of the main reasons why some hesitate to make the switch. But focusing solely on the upfront cost misses the bigger picture. When we dig deeper, we find that the true value of natural cleaning products goes far beyond the price printed on the bottle. First and foremost, natural cleaning products are a game changer when it comes to health. Conventional cleaners often contain a cocktail of synthetic chemicals, including ammonia, chlorine, phthalates, and volatile organic compounds that can trigger allergies, asthma, and other respiratory issues. Some of these chemicals linger in the air or on surfaces long after you've finished cleaning, creating a hidden hazard in the very spaces where you and your loved ones live, eat, and play. Natural cleaning products, by contrast, are formulated without harsh toxins, reducing your exposure to substances that can compromise your well-being. Many people report fewer headaches, less irritation, and improved indoor air quality after making the switch. The benefits extend beyond personal health to the health of our planet. When you use conventional cleaners, the chemical residues don't simply vanish. They often end up in our water systems, where they can disrupt ecosystems and harm wildlife. Phosphates and other additives can lead to algal blooms, depleting oxygen in rivers and lakes, and creating dead zones where few organisms can survive. Natural cleaning products, made with biodegradable ingredients, break down more easily and are less likely to cause environmental damage. By choosing these products, you're making a small but meaningful contribution to a cleaner, greener world. But what about the cost over time? While natural cleaning products may cost more upfront, they can actually save you money in the long run. Think about the hidden expenses associated with health problems triggered by chemical exposure: doctor visits, medications, missed workdays, and the general toll on your quality of life. By reducing your exposure to toxins, you're investing in your long-term health. Additionally, because natural ingredients are often less abrasive, they can help preserve surfaces and household items, reducing the need for repairs and replacements. Some people even find that they can make their own effective cleaners using simple, inexpensive ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice, further lowering their costs. Perhaps the most compelling evidence comes from the real-life experiences of those who have made the switch. Take Sarah, a mother of 2 from Oregon, who struggled for years with chronic sinus infections and persistent skin rashes. She never suspected her cleaning products might be to blame until a friend suggested trying natural alternatives. Within weeks of replacing her usual sprays and scrubs with plant-based versions, her symptoms began to subside. Not only did she breathe easier, but her children's eczema improved as well. Inspired by the transformation, Sarah began sharing her story with friends and neighbors, many of whom had similar results. Her home is now a space where health and cleanliness go hand in hand, and she feels confident knowing she's protecting her family and the planet. Stories like Sarah's illustrate a powerful truth. The choices we make about what we bring into our homes have lasting impacts. By choosing natural cleaning products, you're not just buying a bottle, you're investing in a healthier lifestyle, a safer home, and a more sustainable future. The initial extra cost is a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're doing right by yourself, your loved ones, and the environment. Let's recap. Conventional cleaning products often contain dozens of chemicals that can harm your health and the environment. Natural cleaning products offer a safer, greener alternative, with benefits that extend beyond the label, including improved well-being, reduced environmental impact, and even long-term savings through better health and less damage to your home. Real-life success stories prove that making the switch can lead to noticeable positive changes. The value of natural cleaning products isn't just about what you pay at the register. It's about the investment you make in a cleaner, kinder future. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about making healthier, more sustainable choices for yourself and your family, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to a safer, cleaner home starts with a single mindful step, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.